In today's video, we will be talking about 5 best alternatives for Microsoft Office. So if you are interested, then you definitely want to keep on watching this video. Starting in number 5 is Polaris Office. Well, Polaris Office is a very much free alternative, very easy to use. It has Word, spreadsheet, PowerPoint, PDF, ODT, and a lot more. It's very easy to use and it's available on any device: Microsoft, Apple, iOS, and Android. Also very much available. You can get the free and you can also try the business free trial for 14 days. I recommend the free, very easy, totally free. Just download it and you can start using it. So you just head over to the download right here. As you can see, you can try out the free for Android, very easy. Just click on it and you can check out the license. If you want to get the paid version, you can get that, and for the free version, this is basically everything. Also, you can just select your language. Also very easy to use, very good alternative, and very much free, easy to use. Just click on the download, very easy to download. Also just click on download and the download will begin. In number 4 is FreeOffice. Well, FreeOffice is also a very good alternative that is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Also very easy to use and very easy to download. It's not really that much of talking and anything. So they also have free PDF editor. In case you also need a free PDF editor, you can also get it from this website also. So it is permanently free, a very good alternative. Some of the features include Test Maker, which is Word, Plan Maker, which is Excel, and Presentation, Slide, which is PowerPoint. Very easy alternative, as you can see right here. Very much compatible with the Windows format, dock, and everything. It works perfectly well. I personally tried this out and the interface looks pretty much like that of Microsoft Office, which makes it a perfect alternative for Microsoft. So when you're ready to download, just head over to the download page, the Mac, the Windows, and the Linux. So you can just click on the download. For the Linux, when you click on the download, you can select either of the 32-bit package or the 64-bit package. And in number 3 is LibreOffice. Well, LibreOffice is a very good alternative also. It's in number 3 because it has a lot of features and a lot of amazing options that comes with it, and also they make new updates every month, I think, making the application and software much more better for usage, fixing every bug. Also, you can donate to their website also, and you can just head over to the download to download LibreOffice. Very easy. So here's the download page. As you can see, very easy to download. You can download the latest version, you can download a little old version, and down here you can also see lower versions that you can also download in case you don't want to run the iOS version. And also you can select the operating system. We have the 32-bit, Mac OS, Linux, 64-bit, and everything available for your download right here on the download page. It's very much easy. You can also use the torrents, or you can just use the info to check out some information. And also a worthy mention in this video is Apache OpenOffice. Well, Apache OpenOffice, it's a very old looking site, but it's very much functional. They make new updates frequently, but not that frequent, but they make new updates. It's 2014, it's 2017, 2019, and also as up to date as 2020. If you need help, you can reach out to them, or if you want to download, just click on the I want to download Apache Office right here. As you can see, you can select your version: Linux, 32-bit, 64-bit, OS version, and you can also select the language in which you want to download it, and also you can select the version also. Very easy. And when you're ready, just click on the download full installation. Coming in the second is Google Docs. Well, Google Docs is a little bit famous and it's kind of popular. It's available on every device, but for your PC, it's available only on the web. It's easy to manage and it has docs, sheets, slide, PowerPoint, and forms also. The forms is not actually part of it, but it's a very good option also. As you can see, these are alternative, these are documents versions that you can just check out. You can download the app for your Android device or for your iOS device, very easy to access. And we have informations about people, and you can work with Word. You can convert Word files to Google files, and you can convert Google files to Word files. Very easy to use, easy to manage. And for the spreadsheets also, it's very easy to manage also. We have the spreadsheet presets also. You can also get a blank page if you want, presets also, and results from people. And also for the slides also, you can get the personal or the business also, and presets for slides, or you can also create it from scratch if that's what you want. And also you can download it for iPhones and for Android. Very easy to undo and very easy to manage. It's a very good alternative for Microsoft Office, but it's mainly available for Android and iPhones. Another option is the WPS Office. It's coming in as number one because it's the best we've tried out yet. It has a free download button that works on Mac, PC, Android, iOS, for phones, Linux and Android. Every device, it works mostly on every device. You can set up an account or template as a student or as a teacher. We have presentations, writers, spreadsheet and a lot more. It has powerful clouds, and they have a lot of downloads on Google Play Store and the Apple Store also. You can just click on download WPS. I've downloaded it, so I'll not be downloading it again. Very easy. Once you click on the download WPS, the download will automatically begin. And I think that's basically it for that. And also you can just head over to the PDF also. You also have PDF for Windows and also PDF online that you can very much use easily. It's a very good alternative and a very good option for an alternative use for Microsoft Office. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, ding that notification bell, and make sure to comment down below what you feel about this application. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.